Hey everybody, this is Jacob Graves, Director of Solutions Architecture at Gutsy. And today I wanted to show you our latest feature, Snapshots. So what you're looking at here is a process map of an ongoing security process in your environment. This is continuously updated with new information. So if you're looking at open cases, in this case for offboarding, where someone hasn't been fully offboarded, and then some actions take place over the next day that causes that user to actually become offboarded, your process map will update, which is great for security leaders and showing live data about your system. But if you are an auditor or if you're trying to get an idea of where you stood on a specific day, that can be more difficult. It's not good to have this data changing. So what we did is added the ability to just do a couple of clicks and take a snapshot of that process. So you can actually just go through, name your process, add some notes about it, and maybe even customize some tags on here so that you can have a point in time snapshot of your process so that you can do any sort of experimentation or any sort of audit on that data without affecting the live process that your security team is using to understand the efficacy of their security processes. I'm going to choose not to copy tags over because ultimately I'm going to use a completely different set of tags as I do my audit. So I'll hop over to a snapshot that I've taken. Here, this is an example of the same process, but I'm working through each one of these to understand what's going on, understanding what's happening in these processes, and I'm just marking them as done as I go along. I can do this without stepping on the toes of my security team who's using this to look at the live data. I can build custom filters here to look for the things that I've labeled. So maybe I just want to see things that are done, save those custom filters without overwriting anything for the other teams. I still have my data viewer to see that raw data. And importantly, anything that I add here, any variants that I set as desired, or any tags that I add will all roll up into snapshot dashboards. These dashboards pull the same type of information about your snapshotted data as we pull about your live data. So it's a great way to pull consistent data over time, quarter after quarter, or year on year, to be able to show that you're doing better or you have changes in your security processes without needing to guess or go back to old copies of your board slides. And then if you ever decide to pull a different set of data from your old snapshot, you can do that against your old snapshot and your live data so that you're getting an idea of how you changed over time. So hopefully this did a good job of helping you understand our goals with process snapshots. And if you have any questions or you'd like to see a demo, please reach out to us at gutsy.com. Thanks.